The unit I'm going to show you today is our universal drum rotator overhead gantry model. And this model is designed to be used either with an overhead hoist or crane. Here you can see this is the gearbox arrangement, and this is designed, this particular one with the chain wheel, is designed where operators need to lift the drum up to 2-3 meters, and then basically they operate the rotation of the unit by rotating the chain wheel. We turn the unit round so you can get a better look at it. This is the front of the unit. So here we have our ratchet strap, which goes round to the actual ratchet buckle at the rear of the unit. This is hooked onto the front door of the unit. We move the unit round, show you the back. Now, this unit is designed to pick up drums from small drums like 50-litre drums all the way up to 205 steel or plastic. So we need to change the width between the pivots for smaller drums. So this is achieved by us having this sliding shaft here. So if we had a 50-litre drum in, we could actually move this side all the way in, clamp the 50-litre drum. And then the clamping band itself, we need to change the circumference to fit the smaller drum sizes. This is done by, on the back of the band section here, you can see various holes in the section. So the biggest drum we can pick up is a 205, and these two locking pins at the back are set so the band is at its largest position. So this position is for 205. If we move the band in, we can take those two out with no drum in it and place it in these two holes, which would be a 180-litre drum size. And then we go down to the 120-litre size, the 80-litre size, and the 50-litre size. But obviously on the smallest drum size, this shaft would be virtually all the way through to the side of the unit. This rail here on the side acts as a good place to handle the unit, but it actually is a guard to prevent you accidentally knocking into the side of the rotator shaft. Here we can see the ratchet assembly, and this is the ratchet where you can use to tension up the band assembly. And then here we have our adjustable rim clamp. This can be adjusted in the height. So here it clamps to the top of the drum. This prevents very slippy drums, like these very smooth-sided plastic drums, from slipping in the clamp. We can take this pin out here, and we can set it in different positions for smaller sized drums. But ensure, before we lift the unit, that the drum is fully clamped in, the band is nice and tight, and the rim clamp is connected nice and securely. Another feature of this unit is we have fork pockets in the top of the unit in case it needs to be used with a forklift truck. Back to the gearbox arrangement. This is a double gearbox arrangement, so it's very easy to use. There's two different types of gearboxes connected together. The main unit here we can see is the worm drive unit. These are very good because it gives the ability where the unit is always self-locking. That means if we tip a heavy drum at, say, a head-down angle, no matter how heavy the drum is, as soon as we stop rotating the drum, it will automatically stop in that position. To operate, we simply pull on whichever chain we want to go in, whichever rotation direction. So we simply you can see the moment we stop turning the chain, the drum will actually lock in that position. And then obviously to reverse, we make lots of different options on these. So there's loads of different combinations of rotator you can have. We also supply them for zone 1 areas, so full ATEX approved units.